Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. This is going to be a quick video on a bit of my background. I've had a few people asking, who am I? Where am I from? Okay, a bit about me. This is where it all started out. This is where I was born, at Whittington Hospital in North London in 1984. Here I am in this picture. Take a guess which one I am. And my nan is there on the left. This nan of mine was one of the grandparents that came over during the Windrush period on my dad's side, and she spent a lot of time sewing in North London, and I spent a lot of my childhood with her. This is her house, and this is outside the house I grew up in for best part of my childhood in Tottenham. In this picture you have me and my sister, and in this picture you have my mum and my dad getting married. In this picture you have me getting married. This is me celebrating one of my birthdays. This is me with my sister, and this is me a little before that, and this was me when I was born. And these are my two children, eldest children in London. I have 5 children, 7 and under. One of the things I like doing is I like running, and I don't limit my running to the UK. I run abroad as well. And this was me when I used to love karate. I still can do some free sparring. I have forgot most of my karate katas. So it was 4-4, a few seconds to go, threw a punch out to bring up the opponent's guard, and then managed to get and then won the tournament. My favorite book is the Bible, because I'm a Christian and I endeavor to read it every day. One of my favorite hobbies and one of my favorite apps is chess.com. I do not play enough chess, but it is one of my favorite hobbies. I should spend more time playing. I love following the stock market, the US and the Chinese stock market. My favorite radio station, even though I love reggae music and other type of music, has to be Classic FM. Hands down, I can listen to Classic FM all day long. It's the best radio station in the world. At the moment, what am I watching on TV? I don't have Netflix at the moment, nor do I have Amazon Prime. But I do watch a lot of ITV, and what I watch on there before I fall asleep is Doc Martin's my favourite show at the moment. Then Agatha Christie's Poirot, but that's a bit complicated for the night time. And with my children, they don't watch much TV, but when they do, I do like to reminisce and watch a bit of Captain Scarlet. This is the college that I got my plumbing level 3 from, and when it sort of started in 2006 to 2009. I did my MVQ level 3 here. My dad is a plumber and I got into plumbing through him. I love riding bikes, and this is my older bike in front of you here, and my newer bike is at the back. I hope that's helped you. I'm sure I've got a few things in common with you guys, and that's a bit about my background. I'm hoping to be an engineer that helps many other engineers to get better, and I'm hoping through this channel that that's what's happening, even through my failures and through my success. I'm hoping that you guys are taking something away and getting better and having just the right attitude towards learning and growing in your trade. All right, thank you for joining me. I hope this video is giving you some form of background on who I am. Until next time, bye.